Good afternoon, class. So in the last video we have discussed about the mineral resources and also distribution of these mineral resources. So in today's video let us continue with page 52 with the other minerals. So bauxite, it is the ore from which aluminium is extracted. After iron, bauxite is the second largest mineral extracted. This light metal is used for making airplanes in construction, electrical industry, manufacturing utensils, and paints. Bauxite, when processed into aluminium, uses a very large quantity of electric power. As a result, it is located near power stations. Moreover, processing at the mining site reduces the transportation cost of this bulky raw material. So bauxite, it is found in a sedimentary rock and it has high aluminium content. Therefore, it is the ore in which aluminium is extracted. So after iron, bauxite is the second largest mineral extracted. So it is the second largest mineral extracted from the iron ore. So this mineral or this light metal, it is used for making aeroplanes, in construction purposes, in electrical industries, and also for manufacturing of utensils and paints. So you must have seen these everyday materials which we use, which is made of aluminium. For example, the cans, foils, kitchen utensils, and also those aluminium pipes and all, right? So bauxite, when processed into aluminium, so when you process this bauxite into aluminium, you need a very large quantity of electric power. So therefore, this processing is done at the mining site itself, which is located near the power station, to reduce the transportation cost of this raw material. The world distribution: Australia, Guinea, Jamaica, Brazil, and India are the major producers of bauxite. And in India, bauxite is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. So this is bauxite, alright? This is bauxite. Manganese. It is used for making steel and alloys. It is used to make enamel, dry cell batteries, glazed pottery, plastic, chemicals, varnish, and glass. So this manganese, it is a chemical element which is found in combination with iron. That's why it is used for making steels and alloys. So alloys are metallic substance which is composed of two or more elements. Now steel, you know what is a steel, you must have seen it in our everyday use, like those steel bowls, steel glass, spoons, forks, pots. So this manganese, it is used to make enamel, which is a dry paint, dry cell batteries, those small batteries which we use in our everyday. So this is a manganese, all right? This is manganese. So these are dry cell batteries, glazed pottery, plastic, chemicals, varnish, and glass. So varnish, it is a paint which is used to coat wooden surfaces. So world distribution: Russia, India, South Africa, Brazil, China, Morocco, and Ghana are the major producers of manganese. Distribution in India: manganese is found in Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh. Now let us move on with tin. It is normally used for plating thin sheets of steel, galvanizing, and soldering. So tin, it is also another mineral. It is used for plating thin sheets of steel. So plating here, it is a covering process which is used to cover any surface with a thin metal. So when you covered any surface with a thin metal or sheet, that process is known as plating. Galvanizing, it is a process of applying or coating a protective layer of zinc to iron or steel to prevent rusting. Soldering, it is a joining process used to join different types of metals by melting the solder. The solder, it is a metal alloy made of tin and lead. So this is soldering. Soldering here, it is a joining process, so using a solder to join that wire. All right. So world distribution, Malaysia is the largest producer of tin. China, Bolivia, Indonesia, Thailand, Brazil and Russia are the other important producers. So in India, it is found only in Chhattisgarh. Now let us move on with gold. So gold, it is commonly used for making jewelry, right? So we all know that gold is used especially for making of jewelry. It is a chemical element which is found in nature. So some of the medals or the awards which are given to those people or to those receivers, they are made of gold. Some people, they use it in finances and investment process. So world distribution, it is found in China, South Africa, Canada, USA, Mexico, Western Australia, Zimbabwe and Ghana. Now in India, gold is found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Mica, it is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. It is important in electrical goods and paints industry. It is found in sheets. So mica, it is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. So mica is also a mineral which is found in sheets. All right, it's found in sheets. So why they use these mica in electrical and paint industry? Because it has a high resistance to high voltage, and in paint industry because it has that colorful pigment, and also it has the power to reduce this peeling and cracking of the paint. So that's why it is used in this paints industry and electrical industry. So world distribution, China, India and South America have large deposits of mica. Distribution in India, it is found in Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Bhilwara district in Rajasthan. So India is said to be the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. So this is mica. See, it is found in sheets, very, very thin sheets, right? Now limestone. I'm sure all of you know what limestone is. You must have seen it. So limestone, it is also a sedimentary rock which is composed of calcium carbonate. Right? So it is used in smelting of iron ore and in the production of cement. So what is smelting? Smelting, it is a process of extraction of a metal from an iron ore at high temperature or using very high heat. And it is also used in the production of cement. Now world distribution, Caucasus region of France is well known for limestone deposits. Distribution in India, it is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. So this is limestone, right? This is limestone. Now diamond, it is commonly used for making jewelry. Now diamond, it is a solid form of pure carbon and it is also the hardest substance. That's why it can be used for cutting glass and drilling hard rocks. So diamonds is used mainly for making jewelry and it also used for cutting glass and drilling hard rocks. Why? Because it is the hardest substance. Now world distribution, it is found in South America, Africa and Australia. Now in India, it is found in Panna mines in Madhya Pradesh and Golconda mines in Andhra Pradesh. So this is diamond. Now salt. Halite is the mineral name of common salt. So halite, it is commonly known as table salt or rock salt, which we used to eat every day, which we use in our everyday life. So it is also used in the food and chemical industries. In food industries, it is used as a preservatives, and in chemical industries, it is used for manufacturing of these baking soda, caustic soda, hydrochloric acid and chlorine. And also in making of these fertilizers. Now, world distribution: salt is obtained in China, USA, India, and Germany. Now, in India, it is obtained from Lake Sambar in Rajasthan, and India is said to be one of the leading producers and exporters of salt in the world. So, with this, we'll stop this video discussion today, and in the next video, we shall continue with power and energy resources. Thank you.